love the Fairlanes. I like the Galaxies, but I like the Fairlanes. Somebody put a set of bucket seats in it at one time, cut a hole in the floor. This is somebody's little get up and go car. Bruce Allen, Levi Garrett. Anybody remember him? And what's left of? Maybe. Yep, Mustangs. Now this is the 69 or 70, I know. It comes with the factory sunroof. Yeah, look at that, guys. Is that not unreal how nature just takes over? I respect him for keeping them and not crushing them like most people did. I really respect that.